Gala Games, huge news here. And this news came out just yesterday, and covering it for you guys right here on the channel. Gala Games, happy to announce that on May 15th, all addresses holding Gala on ETH will receive the new Gala V2 token. So that's right, Gala moving from V1 to V2. We're going to talk about why, and this could be extremely bullish because there's a big thing that's going to happen once we move to this V2. There are significant improvements coming to the token itself, and they're going to be releasing the audit report very shortly as well. So let's dive in and talk about Gala, one of my favorite altcoins out there, as you guys all know. And this was the tweet yesterday coming from the official Gala Games, Go Gala Games on Twitter, okay? And here's the article. If you pop open this blog.gala.games, here it is. On May 15th, Gala V2 will be dropped one-to-one to all Gala holders as the new and improved Gala Games ecosystem token comes to the market. So the Gala ecosystem has continued to grow and evolve. Just the beginning of this year, we had some major developments and announcements made that they're moving into mobile, right? The acquisition of Ember Entertainment brings in a ton of new users. How about the burns? We'll come back to that later on in this video. We're going to talk more about those burns. But this upgrade to the Ethereum contract for the Gala token brings a host of improvements, including enhanced burn mechanisms. You like that. Security enhancements. You like that. And future upgradability. With an eye beyond the horizon, our team is dedicated to ensuring Gala and Gala Games ecosystem remains at the forefront of blockchain technology and usability. So, in anticipation of the Gala launch, all arrangements are for all users holding Gala right now, as currently constructed, V1 on Ethereum, to automatically receive the new Gala token in a direct one-to-one token airdrop. Now, they have made connections with exchanges. Okay, rest assured, we are actively engaging with our exchange partners to facilitate a smooth transition. However, they are highly encouraging people to move Gala into your personal wallet if you don't have it there already, because you never exactly know what these exchanges will do and won't do. Now, they're all going to probably, work out some kind of deal. On which timeline, though, we don't know, right? But it says we have already made contact with the majority of our partners, but we strongly recommend storing your Gala in your personal wallets to ensure that the drop is delivered directly to you. So that means if you have Gala right now, the V1 version, the current token, right? Because prior to May 15th, this is the only one we've ever had. If you have it, let's say in Coinbase right now, you can send that Gala on the Ethereum network over to Gala on your MetaMask, right? Or Trust Wallet. I am basically reiterating this message because I think this is a good move. If you don't have it in your DeFi wallet already, do so. I think it's the best move. You must remove your Gala from any liquidity pools or smart contracts before the snapshot on May 15th as well, as they cannot guarantee that Gala drop to liquidity pool contracts will be recoverable. It's better to be safe than sorry. So as we approach this exciting milestone, keep an eye on our official channels for the latest information, as they're going to keep us all informed. Important questions and answers. Now, this is where it gets very interesting. I own Gala. Is action required on my part to ensure I receive the Gala V2 token drop? No. As long as your Gala is not currently used in a liquidity pool or smart contract, you won't need to do anything to be eligible. You'll automatically get those V2 tokens when it goes live. What can I do with my Gala V1 after the new token drop? Nothing. They will be worthless. What if my Gala is unminted? Post-drop, when TC Gala is redeemed, you'll receive Gala V2. This is not a bad thing. An upgrade of this magnitude shows the scale of Gala Games' future, and we're all better off as a result. Now, the price of Gala right now, guys, sitting at about 4.5 cents. We did see a sell-off here, down 9%. This thing was up pretty heavily in the past week, though. It went up. Look at that surge. Went up from way down here in the low 4-cent range all the way up to the high 4-cent range, up about 15% just about 48 hours ago, until we saw this major crypto sell-off globally. Ranked number 119, just barely outside that top 100. Still a market cap, 315 million. I think we're going to see Gala back in the top 100 in no time. That is just my opinion. But Gala also has, at support.gala.games, they linked this to their tweet, okay? This main tweet. Please see our FAQ article for more info. So if you're interested in checking out exactly what's going on, these are some of those frequently asked questions, in addition to adding a few other ones here as well for you. This is the entire fact sheet. And if you don't know how to get a wallet, they go over all of that for you. You can learn how to, download a MetaMask Trust wallet, one of those DeFi wallets, if you haven't already, and you're holding your Gala on centralized exchanges. Again, they are highly, highly, highly encouraging you to move it to your own wallet right now as we prepare for Gala V2. It's going to be exciting. Appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below for more crypto content. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.